To unlock the AC unit, please follow these steps. Turn the device off, then simultaneously press the plus and minus buttons. Next, press the fan button until you see 3 zeros displayed. This is where you'll set the code D19. Start by selecting the number 9. Press the minus button until you reach the number 9. Now, press the plus button to set the second digit. Pressing the minus button will change the second digit to 1. Press the plus button again to set the last digit, which is the letter D. Finally, press the power button to save the settings. Press the M button to complete the unlocking process.